Come on, fit it.
More?
More.
Small ones, eat it. Small ones. Not the big one.
Okay. So this is the ginger. Here. Where did you go? Stop.
Hot? I don't know. I'll just eat a little. Wow.
Oh. Oh.
Pretty.
I want you to take off your...
Tapos ito girl, tagpila ni paliton.
500.
Ay, gusto ko na! 500! Ay, so.
I'm taking your video.
500? Yeah. You shake it too, Bobby. This is what? Shake it. Left to right. Left, right, left, right. I don't know. Right, left, right. You take.
Lagi na pa. Eh, mo na lang. We share.
So that is the right of the IBs. So yan po. So nasa bundok na po tayo ng Crocodile Island po. And kung napapansin nyo, ang kulay ng that's the drum before and after we perform because we believe every tutorial musical instrument have their own spirit or so that's time po namin para mag-respect po sa drum po. So sa ngayon ma'am, so break time po muna ngayon ng ilang sandali. Sa mamaya episode started in someone beginning of year 1945. So mag-year tayo ng episode yun lang ang video.
Bati ako naman lang.
Had me in your possession. Had you swimming inside my affection. But with you, I came second. So I cut off the connection. And now you're calling me. Holding your heart there inside your hands. You say I'm where you wanna be, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back. Crying over the love that you had. Maybe next try, maybe next time you'll hold on to what you have. No, you don't get to show up. Teary-eyed saying I'm all you want. Maybe next try, maybe next time you won't sleep on a good love. Keep on talking, but I'm already gone. You had your shot, but you went about it all wrong. Tried to pull you in close, eyes were locked on your phone. Now you're sour, cause I'm moving on. Oh, you're showing up at my door. Holding your heart there inside your hands. Baby, I could have been all yours, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back. Crying over the love that you had. Maybe next try, maybe next time you'll hold on to what you have. No, you don't get to show up. Teary-eyed saying I'm all you want. Maybe next try, maybe next time you won't sleep on a good love. You won't sleep on a good love. You won't sleep on a good love.
Good afternoon. It's here. Pool's here. Oh, I will go to the pool. That looks nice. Room 17. Wow. Thank you. This is our bandana. 17. Going to entrance. You wash your feet here, which we already did. But nice. The room. Wow. This is our cozy. Wow. So in front of our suite. And you're going to the bathroom. Wow. Outside. What is this? Outdoor area. And the bathroom. And the shower.